The voltage regulator. You know when you're mid-set, pushing hard, and suddenly, boom, a complete power cut?
Super frustrating, right? You've rested, you're totally fueled up, yet your muscles just literally quit.
The hidden culprit here? Oxidative stress. It actually causes these invisible proton leaks inside your cells.
Basically, think of mitochondria as cellular capacitors. They absolutely need a negative electrical charge to generate ATP.
A fully charged membrane means peak output, but structural microgaps, they cause proton leakage and metabolic fatigue.
So, our biological lever to fix this is the CYP-XP complex found in T8 extra. Sea plant polyprenols convert into dolichols, and they physically plug those leaky membrane gaps from the inside. By sealing those structural gaps, it restores that critical voltage, which instantly restarts your ATP synthesis. To actually execute this cellular repair protocol, you'll need exactly 1 milliliter of T8 extra.
That's 2 pipette presses in room temperature water twice daily. Definitely no hot water. It ruins the active compounds.
So, next time you hit the gym, ask yourself, are your cellular capacitors actually holding their charge?